Ever wonder what keeps products moving smoothly from the factory to the store shelf? Meet the unsung hero of the supply chain, the palletizer. Every product you buy travels a long journey through factories, warehouses, and distribution centers before it reaches your hands. Without proper palletizing, things fall apart. Literally. You'd face delays, damage, and a whole lot of wasted time and money. Palletizers don't just protect products, they protect people. By doing the heavy lifting, they reduce workplace injuries and strain. It's fast, efficient, and essential. Because when it comes to packaging, nothing stacks up like a palletizer. Curious to learn more about the future of automation and packaging? Hit follow and join us on the journey.